Somebody's got to come deal with all that.
Welcome to the first day that's been above freezing in about 3 weeks. So I'm gonna attempt to get my one truck going with the other truck I have that might not start. Put a block heater on my blue truck, try to get that started, and a bunch of other stuff outside. Maybe bring Ivy outside for the first time. And like I said, like 2.5, 3 weeks, because it's been like minus 25. Haven't been able to really do anything outside. So anyway, I'm going to try to boost my truck and see what happens. This one started no problem because I use it all the time. Gotta love winter. I'm trying to sell this other one here, but I think it's the wrong time to sell vehicles right after Christmas when nobody has any money. I'd say the grid heater's working. It's the only thought out part in the whole truck. Man, that's fun. Now I gotta go dump some garbage off because it was just Christmas and you know, wrapping paper. He wants to come look at this in the next couple of days, so I figure I'll take her for a run and blow the snow off, get the wheels turning, the motor warmed up, and the battery's charged because I want this thing gone. I'm tired of looking at it. And we got a decent amount of snow in the past couple weeks. Like, it's been cold, and usually it doesn't snow like crazy when it's that cold. It's usually, oh yeah. Anyway, it's usually when it's kind of days like today, like just above zero, whatever, that it'll snow. But anyways, here we are. Go ahead. Let them go first so I don't cover them in snow. About to get annoyed. I'll show you why. People drive me nuts sometimes. Somebody's got to come deal with all that. Makes me so mad. And people drive me nuts sometimes. I don't know why stuff like that gets under my skin, but that... I think it's just because somebody's got to come and pick all that up. Like, it's all people's Christmas or packaging and stuff. Like, the garbage man had a Christmas too. I'll show you again. Look at that. There's no reason for that. Take it back home, burn it. Or take it back home and bring it back later. Oh, come on, baby. People do suck. Not everybody, but I mean, come on. Even if there was a sign that said, if bin is full, please stack, it would say something like this: if bin is full, please stack your cardboard neatly beside bin, like flattened or something. Like, but I don't, in my opinion, that only works for like so long. Like, once there's like a dump truck full of cardboard beside the bin, well, I think you should probably just stop putting it beside the bin. Somebody has to go there and pick all that up, collapse all the cardboard. Like, you can't just put full boxes like that. Anyway, I got my garbage and I put it in a bin and I shut the door. So I think now I'm gonna go back, get the snowmobile going, the little enticer, and drag Ivy outside for a couple hours. -5 right now. It's gonna go up to +1 or 2. So right around that freezing mark. I mean, you could be outside all day. So that's the plan. And I'm gonna overthink about that cardboard all day too, because that's what I like to do. Oh, we got a snowmobile coming up. Let's see if these boys got payment on the machines or if they're just enjoying life payment free, driving old junk like I do. There's a beautiful amount of snow now. There's at least a foot and a half most places. They're jumping around. I'm sure they got payment. Let's see. Oh yeah, they're out riding. Yes, sir. Oh, Skidoo's broke down. This is so crazy. So I just saw those two snowmobiles, like literally 5 minutes up the road. One was like a brand new Skidoo, the other one was like that black one, and I was like, oh, Skidoo broke down. So then while I'm driving, I'm not going through Marketplace on my phone, and look at this. So there's this ad here. I'm like, oh, nice. But then I'm like, hey, look at the one in the background. That's the one that was just going down the road, and then that black one for sale, that's the one that was sitting there. 59, 67.5 kilometers. She's up there. Pretty hard running on all that snow stuff. She wanted to go on the snowmobile when we came out.
You want to try with the remote?
No. No? Is some snow?
Yeah.
Go.
You make a good snow angel today. She probably wouldn't be able to stand back up. Oh wait! Hey, hold on, Mom! We're stuck! One more! That's good! What? No? Okay. I'm just standing here, go ahead. Hold on, I'm like a dog sweater. Woo! This is fun! You having fun? Might as well. You having fun? Woo! Stop by the bees! That quick, before she gets mad.
You don't want to disturb them.
Just there's a hole in the middle. Just look there quick, and I'll close it.
Oh, wow, hey. So what?
Go! Alright, I think that's it for this one. First day above zero. I spent half the day outside scraping ice and snow and everything off the deck. We got the kid outside a little bit, played on the snowmobile. So I think that's it for now. We'll see you on the next one. Later.